Hello. I've got a very quick unboxing for you of a power supply, portable power bank power supply from a company called ROMOSS, R-O-M-O-S-S. On Amazon, it is the ROMOSS 10000mAh portable charger Type C with LED display, 3 inputs, 2 outputs, external battery pack, compact power bank, compatible for iPhone XS Max, iPhone 8, iPhone 7, Samsung S8. S9 is not. It's kind of true and not true. From what I read, it won't fast charge, which I have an S9, but the S9 will not fast charge with this, but it'll charge regularly. It's 10,000 mAh, as I said, and it is $22.99, which isn't bad, I guess. Now, I cut the tape on here just to make it a little bit easier. There's really nothing included except the power bank. They don't give you any cables or anything like that, so you have to supply all your own. Basic user guide there. Here it is here. As you can see, I didn't even, open this, do anything with it yet. It's small, fits right in your hand, in your pocket, whatever you want to call it. We have our USB ports on the top edge here, regular ones, and USB-C, and micro USB as well. We have our little LED display there, big 10, I guess that's for 10,000 mAh. On the side is our 78%. It's a button for power and to turn it on for charging, etc. Input. So we have here in our little user guide. Okay. Input. Micro USB input is that one. That's how to charge the bank. We have a Type C input as well. These are Type C's. That one is D. No, that says Type C input. So this one is E, which is a lightning input. Okay. Input, output, and output. Okay. But power on, power off. Unplug the cable from your device. The power bank will automatically switch into sleep mode. Recharge it with a lightning, micro USB, or USB Type C cable. Charge your iPhone, iPad, etc. Now, it says Type C charger, but I don't see. Okay, I guess you just plug a standard one into there. Well, that works, whatever. USB output, USB output. Okay, oh no. Oh, the top one is 1 amp, the bottom one is 2.1 amp. So you can use either one for whichever device you have. But ROMOSS battery pack, 78%. As you don't know if you can see that there, it's kind of dim. But it seems doesn't seem too bad. All right.